Okay, sorry I got interrupted there. I had to cut this video into two. I guess that's not that unusual. I was about to plug g into f of x. Whoops. F of g of x. Okay, so I'm going to use this kind of shape, but I'm going to plug the g into it where it says x. All right, square root of g of x, which is 2 x squared minus 1 plus 1. So that's the f part of, that's the x part of what was going on in f of x over 2. And I just try to crank this all down and see if it equals x. All right, so that numerator now just becomes 2x squared. I can cancel the 2's. And yes, great. And then what if I'm doing g of f of x? That's going to be g, so that I'm doing that one. But then in here, instead of x, I put this little monster. Squared minus 1 equals. Oh gosh, I got to square. Oh, squaring that thing is not hard. It's just this. And then I can cancel those 2's. And yes, I got x. So we say yes, they are inverses because both of these things are true. So it must be yes. Another one. I'll leave that there so you can still see it. F of g, and yes, you have to do both of them. You can't just do one and go, oh yay, it's x, I'm done. Now you've been to this movie before. It's funny I said that I'm actually in a movie. Oh, x is greater than -2. That's probably about a domain restriction. Oh yeah, we had a domain restriction up here. I didn't notice it. So yeah, domain restrictions are a thing. If we're going to be inversing a squared thing, that's where we have to cut the parabola down, right? The parabola is already cut down by the virtue of the square root symbol, right? So that's already a half parabola. But the first one, we have to make it a half parabola so that it works. That's what allows me at this step. I like using purple for this. At this step, I knew I had a positive square root, so that's why it was okay to do that last step before. Okay, same sort of thing here. 4 times, but instead of x, I put the whole monster like this. X minus 3 over 2 minus 2. That's all of x plus 2 squared minus 3. Oh my gosh. Well, the 2's kill each other off. 4 times this thing squared minus 3 is 4 times, now be careful, this is going to be x minus 3 over 4 when I square it. Minus 3, I'm trying to do this in one line, will it fit? Equals x minus what? How come I have a what? Oh, look, x minus 3, which is x minus 6. So I think this is a great big no. Did I do something wrong? I just want to check this. Those killed themselves off. That's minus 3 and minus 3. So this is no. If you get one no, you're done. One no means that's enough not to be inverses. All right, and that's it. It's homework time. Okay, I'll see you at school.